we have sympathy, antipathy, then we have love, E, hope, U, A, Ha. And I have been asked, isn't it the other way around? There are webinars where people do aha, hope, U in the end. But I've tried to, there are two aspects. I've tried to show you a story through the whole thing. And that we in a way arrive in the aha, in this sphere, where at night all these unfolding forces start to work in us. Yeah? So from this story, it makes a lot of sense to work like this. But the spiritual world works different than we work. And another story would work too. The only thing what you have to have is a story in mind, which is not intellectually, but if you have a story why you do the aha, and then the hope, ooh, those two exercises will be happy. They will be, yes, okay, I want to support that. So, have a story, yeah, which allows you to live through it or to discover it. Another aspect is that I know somebody who says he met somebody who knows for sure that Steiner has given this sequence to Elena Zuccoli, and they even asked this person to sign it. Yeah, that's true, I swear it, yeah, and that's the information I have. So that's one thing, but from the story which we have discovered now, let's go hiking, let's love, yeah, let's be on the summit, and then just go down, collect everything into us, and then hand it over to what's living in us. That's a story I like and I want to share with you.